Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice. This is a brand new Sea Ray 230 SPX. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat, show you some of the options. As you can see here, this one's got the big 200 Mercury. Horsepower to weight ratio is great. This particular one does have the two-tone gel. Real pretty black. Looks good with your black canvas as well right here. Stainless steel propeller. So as far as options go, well, a couple of the benefits here with the Mercury motor. Horsepower to weight ratio is good. Excellent fuel economy. With the Outboard, you have all the benefits of not having draft issues. And another thing I really like about the boat is in the back, since you don't have, it's not a sterndrive, of course, you've got quite a bit more room back here for storage and things like that. So we've got our cockpit and tonneau cover in there right now. As you can see, real easy cockpit to keep clean. Lots of seating in the back of the boat. This one also has the bow cover right here and full cockpit cover that goes with the boat. Here on the side, we've got our Fusion stereo, Simrad GPS chart plotter, fish finder, and tilt steering wheel. Your gauges come up here in the Simrad. Very cool. Very comfortable seating up front. Quite a bit of storage as well with the boat. Inside here is going to be your porta potty. So the 230 SPX has been a very popular boat, especially here on the West Coast. And this one is still available for sale. So if you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call here at MarineMax Venice. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.